to jail. I'm gonna give you one chance. You're creating the drama.
I don't want any drama. I want to go home and I want to leave.
Then let's go over here right now.
Child.
Okay.
I just came to pick up my child.
You're making this way more than be.
Please don't grab me. Please don't grab me. Don't grab me. Sir, let me go. You hurting my baby. No, I'm going back to my car.
What you're seeing is body cam and citizen video out of Jacksonville, Florida. A black mother was arrested outside her child's school after an officer confronted her over allegedly leaving her car parked and unattended in the pickup line. In this footage, you can see the officer pinning her against a vehicle before placing her in custody. Community members are outraged, questioning why this level of force was used on an unarmed woman in front of children.
So as a result of her actions on Tuesday afternoon, Erica McGriff was arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, and operating a motor vehicle while having a driver's license that is revoked as a habitual traffic offender, which is probably what led to her refusing to give some of those things over in the very beginning. These charges are all third-degree felonies, each punishable by up to 5 years in Florida State Prison. Additionally, McGriff was cited for multiple traffic violations.
The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says others will also be charged under Florida's new HALO law, which just went into effect in 2025.
If you crowd and harass our officers or any first responder after a verbal warning, you will be arrested. JSO will always hold accountable those who violate the law.
Where were the individuals in the video that were violating the HALO?
So there was an elderly, an older lady wearing a pinkish red shirt. I believe at one point she used an expletive and said she wasn't even worried about the 25 feet. And then there was a young girl, you saw her come in later. After things started wrapping up a bit, you saw her come in later and grab the phone. She was one of the ones that was standing there with a lot of the chirping that was going on.
The one who got the phone, what happened to that person?
She's going to be arrested.
Oh.
The HALO law, Florida Statute 843.31, creates a 25-foot buffer zone around first responders, including law enforcement, firefighters, EMS when they're actively working a scene. Under the HALO law, if someone is told verbally to back up and stay out of that 25-foot zone, but refuses or stays in close proximity with intent to interfere, harass, or threaten, then they may face criminal penalties. Violating the HALO law after a warning is a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to $500 in fines and up to 60 days in jail. Supporters say this law helps keep first responders safe from crowds and interference. But critics warn the law's vague language, especially around intent or harassment, could suppress people's right to document police activity. This is exactly why transparency matters. Body cam, citizen video, so we can all see what really happened. The HALO law was ostensibly meant to protect first responders, but in practice, it may be used to deter scrutiny. Attorney Ben Crump has taken up the case, calling the arrest excessive and unacceptable. We'll continue watching this case closely and following what the community demands. Stay vigilant, stay informed. Let this be a reminder. Laws, however well-intentioned, must never become tools of suppression.
Hey, where you going?
What is the problem? What are you doing?
I need your license.
Huh?
I need your license.
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's your car. I just saw you get out of the car.
Hey, that's not my car.
Okay.
I'm going over here. Please don't. Please. Hey.
You right here with your student?
Hey.
You right here with your student?
This is my daughter. Please do not touch me.
Do you want to go to jail?
Don't touch me. I do not start. I did not do anything wrong.
Yes, you did.
I did not do anything
wrong. You left your vehicle unattended.
No, I did not leave that vehicle.
You could get a ticket.
I was the passenger.
You could get a ticket.
The driver went to the school. The driver's at the school,
sir. You could get a ticket.
I will leave.
Listen, you could get a ticket or you can keep playing these games and go to jail. I'm going to give you one chance. You're creating the drama.
I don't want any drama. I want to go home and I want to leave.
Then let's go over here right now.
I just came to pick up my child.
Okay.
I just came to pick up my child.
You're making this way more than be.
Please don't grab me. Please don't grab me. Don't grab me. Sir, let me go. You hurting my baby. No, I'm going back to my car. Let me.
You're making a big
please
deal.
Don't do this in front of my child, sir. No. Take me to my car, please. I will. You don't have to curse me. I will. Let me go. Please don't. You embarrassing my baby.
You're pulling away from me.
Sir, I'm not pulling away from you. You got me fucked up. You won't punch me. You won't hit me. You won't hit me.
You pull away from me again. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail. You pull away from me again, you're going to jail.
Come to my baby's phone. Come to my baby's phone.
I'm about to put you on the ground. I'm about to put you on the ground. I'm about to put you on the ground. Quit pulling away from me. You're going to jail. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Quit pulling away from me. Get my baby my purse. She's going to jail. Tell her to keep my purse. Get her purse. Tell her to keep my purse. Okay. Oh, you gonna fight me? You were too close. Get out of me, Carpet. Get off of me. Get the fuck off me. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back right now. Put your hand behind. I can't breathe. Stop! I can't breathe. Get someone to help me now. Get someone to help me now. I'll do it, please. He's choking me. He's choking me. He's choking me. He's choking me. I can't. Stop. He's choking me. I can't breathe. Please. Please, help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me! Help me, sir! Okay, please. Help me, please! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! If you could just... Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind her back now. They behind her back. They behind her back. They behind. Get off of her. Get off of her. Get off of her. Can you get her knee up now? She goes to cut. All right. I need to get her knee up to her phone. Hey, you. Baby. What's the PIN number to your phone so we can call your mom? You can put the number in my head. 868. Back up. Back up. I'm a law enforcement officer. Female punched me. And we fought. This is your 1845 Bassett Road. No, I'm just Can she lease it up? Put her in my car. Put her in my car. She punched me and she bit me. Amani needs to go inside. Amani, her daughter. What is it? I got Amani. Amani, take over. Watch out, move. You know, walk around this window. Where's Amani? Don't move. We got him. Put it in my car. Put it in my car. I'll get you in the car. I'll get Amani. Mr. Management, she's playing. Put it in the car. Put it in the car. I'm trying. She bleeds. You got 25 feet to get away from me, or you going with her? I got it. Get in the car. Get in the car. Damn, you gonna kick me too often? Get in the car and kick you. My purse. She's going to jail. Tell her to keep my purse. Get her purse. Okay. Oh, hey, wait. Hey. What the fuck is wrong with you? Back up. Get the fuck off of that lady. Please back up. You're screaming like a man. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. You is wrong. You is wrong. He is bleeding. He pulled her fucking hair out of her fucking scalp. Her locks are on the ground. You're checking me?
She said she can't breathe. She said she can't. Okay, she can't breathe.
Oh my fucking God. Y'all parking on the grass and this is what the fuck they're doing. This is what they're doing.
I got your umbrella.
Please.
I got your umbrella.
Okay, please.
She can't. You're laying on her arm. You're laying on her arm.
She can't breathe.
He's laying on her arm.
Ma'am, if you could just.
He's laying on her She can't breathe.
She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
She can't breathe.
Okay.
No.